just bought my very first hi vlog. I have something very big to share. I just bought my very first big girl camera. It's the Sony ZV1. I have been wanting this camera since I was in senior high school. So I am very happy and proud of myself that I am at the point where I can get myself the things that I want. So this is the camera. I bought it at Henry's Ayala Center, Cebu. So it's already been opened. So it came with this 64 gig memory card. It has the papers. Inside you have the windscreen. Looks like this. The charging cable. Oh. Charging cable. And lastly, the camera, which I already charged and set. This is her. It's a point and shoot camera. So this camera flips out. So this is how it looks like. It twists. I am so happy. I cannot wait to use it for vlogs, for travel, for pictures, and everything else that I want to document. I am now at the point where I can spend for myself. At the same time, I can somehow spend for my parents as well. And one day, I want to get to the point where I can spoil my parents with my own hard-earned money. So, that's the end of this video clip. And I'm going to see you on the next one. Hi! So this is me filming on my new Sony ZV1. And this is just a test clip to check later on if, for me, the audio, the quality is all good. I am now sitting on my bed. It's already 11:35 and I can't seem to rest. I am being restless just because I'm so happy. Today is one of the happiest days of my life. Hello everybody! So karon naami sa La Nueva kay si mama, she needed to pay the bill and then she wanted to buy fruits, and so far nakapalit na siya glanzones. Then karon na ako sa La Nueva nagpark kay walay available spot sa usual na pay parking. And karon nigawa siya to buy more fruits. Ang iya pang napalit so far is lansones and she wanted apples and grapes. Manihapon ta! Hey there everybody! So karon, after na mo panihapon sa Angel's Pizza, naami ron sa Grand Mall kay naay tuyo si mother. So karon, while waiting, kay kaunta ninyo og mani nga pinalit sa daplin. So nag-hope yun ko nga okay ra ang clips ani kay akong gisuwayan ang quality from 4K, which is kani 4K ni siya niya 24p 100m wako kay bon sa meaning ana, pero nag-follow ako og video sa YouTube na mao daw na yung settings, so akong gi-follow and then maka-cause man siya og drainage sa battery quicker than HD. So nag-try ko og HD nga quality, then I think 120p 100m to siya. Kunyang ihang result, very slow mo pag-transfer sa akong iPad. So, need pa na ako mag-experiment. Aning quality na buhat sa Sony ZV1. Do unboxing. Oh. Focus. Wala tayo nails. Na may purple ani, pero black lang. Okay. I'm done with work. Let's go home.